So I ran into a problem with one of my favorite power tools, my Hitachi 12 volt Impact gun. And the problem was that my charger quit working. And so I debated on what to do because I have 2 batteries and I have 1 tool, not enough to create a true set of tools, but gosh, it's been so dependable. So charger doesn't work. I opened it up and saw what looked like was a capacitor that was bad. So I went ahead and ordered some capacitors. Actually, I only needed 1. But then I replaced the capacitor and that fixed my charger. So instead of buying chargers I think are still available, but they were like $40 or $50. And right now I would buy something else to replace the Impact tool instead of buying a replacement charger for $40 to $60. But I went ahead and took this apart and went ahead and repaired it. Surprisingly, I couldn't believe it worked. So I'm going to go ahead and jump ahead. I did take this apart, open it up, took the old capacitor off so I could see what I needed, got it ordered, brought it in, and now we'll jump ahead and show that I'm soldering the new capacitor in and repairing this thing. So it worked out pretty good. If you have this charger and it stopped working and you're still running your Hitachi Impact or drill of this style, 12 volt, maybe you can fix your own charger and not have to buy a new one or give up on your Hitachi. So let's jump ahead and see what it looks like. So I took the charger apart, which was just 4 screws, and I found this capacitor that had a slight bulge on it. So I think that might be bad. I don't know what else might be bad with the charger, but I did spot this and thought, what the heck? So I picked up a couple of capacitors. The replacement capacitor is the right voltage and whatever the rating is, it's a 470 by 35 volt. But it's a different size, but it's the right rating. So went ahead and stuck one of those in here. I desoldered this big one, pulled it out. Got the other one in here and I'm going to solder it in and see if I can, if that's going to make this thing work. All right, so I'll try to see if I can successfully solder this on here. I presume I've got the positive and negative correct. Not especially the soldering gun that I should be using for this, but it's all I got, other than the bigger one. Looks like I made a connection. Oh, you're here already.
Yeah.
Ah. Here, let me plug this in and see if it works. I'm videotaping this little thing. It's my Hitachi charger. I'm going to see if it's going to work. Oh my goodness, the red light went on.
Oh, wow.
So that means it must have been this capacitor, which I replaced with one of these, and now the red light goes on and it didn't go on before. So I'm going to button this up and I'm going to see if the battery will charge. And we'll be back soon. So the capacitor that I replaced is this one right here. And there's a little plus symbol down there. So this is the plus side and this will be the negative side. So the gray stripe is on this side here. I've got this plugged in, so I'm trying not to electrocute myself. So I can get this thing put back together. The red light goes into the hole here. And I think it was glued at one time. Okay, there it goes. comes through here. And as I said, 4 screws. So I should hand start these, but hopefully I won't have to be in here again. There we go. So there's the LED light, which is not shining now, but when I put the battery in, the red light turns on, indicating that it's charging. And when it's done charging, the light goes out. So that means the battery's charged. So it appears to be working. I did charge up both my batteries, and I was actually using my Hitachi Impact to put this thing back together. So thanks for watching. I hope it helped somebody out to help save their Hitachi charger. And have a good day, and see you soon.